Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I am so happy that you have joined me today. Today we're going to make some postcard tags. But first, let's do our shout out to Jamonte, Denise, Michelle, Heather, Joyce, and Nancy. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, I have some beautiful, beautiful postcards. Aren't they lovely? And it really doesn't matter if they go this way or if they go this way. This one here is from 1909. Isn't it beautiful? I absolutely love these postcards. Most of these are happy birthday wishes. Happy birthday, returns of the day. I just absolutely love them. All right, you guys, let me show you how I make a tag out of these without destroying the postcards, where you could still take them out, read the back of them, and enjoy them. All right, so you know the index cards. These are index cards that I got actually, I think, at the dollar store that have this little picture here. I've coffee dyed them. I don't want this picture to show, so I'm going to put them front to front like this, and I'm going to sew around it. And I'm going to use a little bit of a decorated stitch, a regular stitch, and then a zigzaggy, and a regular, and a zigzaggy, and I'm going to make it just kind of change it up like this, just to give it some interest. So it's just plain on one side and plain on this side. So now we are going to get our vellum. So you've got your sheet of vellum, and you're just going to place your sheet of vellum right over. I personally like to place it so that it's not exactly right up to the edge of the index cards, because sometimes the vellum will slip even though you pin it. And when you take it to the machine and you give it a stitch around, you're going to stay pretty close to the edge because you're making a pocket. And it will depend on whether your image goes this way or your image goes this way. So of course, if you have this image, you're going to sew on this side here like this, and if your image goes like this, you're going to sew like this. That makes sense, right? All right, so I'm going to sew that, and then I will show you how it looks. All right, I have sewn the vellum onto the index card, and I'm going to remove these. It's caught on the string there. There we go. Now I'm going to take my larger scissors, and I'm just going to trim around the index card. This is so simple, you guys, but it turns out so lovely. So we're just going to trim it just like this. Now once you get it trimmed, we are going to take a notch out of the vellum right here. So slip this in. Take a little notch. Now with your ink of your choice, go ahead and ink around the edge. Just like that. And select your card. I need ones that goes this way. Just slip your card right in. Now you can still enjoy your postcard. You can take it out, you can read it, and you can journal on the back. And you can just put this right into a tuck spot in your journal that you're making. Oh, you guys, I absolutely think this is the coolest idea, and I have had great fun. And I hope you join me in my next video. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye now.